Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize Windows 11 by using a new tool called Bloody Nosy. This is a newly installed version of Windows 11, and as we are aware, it often includes various unnecessary features and privacy settings that are not to our liking. Therefore, I am going to optimize these settings in a simple way. So firstly, open your browser and type Bloody Nosy in the search bar and hit enter. Here open GitHub link which is top on the other suggested links. You can download this app easily from GitHub. You can see this app was last updated on June 12 and developer has recently updated it. Click on its latest release to download its up-to-date version. Now download this app. Once it's downloaded, open the download folder and install it. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a desktop shortcut. I'll open it and you'll see that it's very user-friendly and straightforward to use. Please choose all the options you wish to optimize for your Windows. Now, let's proceed with analyzing Windows 11, which will help to identify any unfavorable aspects present in the operating system. According to the report, there are 33 features that require fixing. To view the specific details, you can click on the Details option. This will allow you to see the issues and also gives you the flexibility to uncheck any options you prefer not to modify. At this point, I will simply choose the Fix option and apply the necessary fixes. Upon execution, the terminal will open, and you might be prompted to select Yes at this stage. Simply sit back, relax, and observe your Windows 11. After a few minutes, check your Windows 11 to see the changes. By default, the dark mode will be enabled, and when you access the Start menu, you will notice the absence of many pre-installed apps that usually come with a fresh installation of Windows 11. After applying these changes, it is advisable to restart your PC since some of the settings modified by this app may necessitate a restart to take effect. Undoing all the changes is effortless, you can do it with a single click. Just click on the Fix button again and then select Restore Default State. Everything will return to its normal state. You might need to download certain apps manually, such as OneDrive. This tool uninstalls OneDrive, but once you restore the system, you can open Microsoft's website to download OneDrive again, along with any other apps you may need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.